So I want to talk about the thing that we learned before midterm exam, and I want to just continue on talking about what we learned this week. So what we learned about it is that the before we learned about the current density, and current density we can divide into two parts. First is about the carrier concentration, and second part we can divide into velocity of electron. But we learned about the carrier concentration by density of state and Fermi direct distribution. So from after midterm exam, we start to learn about the maybe we should focus on the part of the velocity. So we start to learn about the velocity part. But before we learned about the velocity part, it was talking about the degeneration semiconductor, which is like because of the doping system, the conduction band energy level can be changed, even though sometimes because Fermi level can be changed, and Fermi level can be over conduction band, and we learned about that kind of thing. And next we learned about the current flow, which is like current flow about the homogeneous semiconductor. But we just start to learn about the drift velocity. But drift velocity is like usually we think about if we think about the current, we are just thinking about going to straight. But actually, actually the current is like the flow of electrons. So it's like electron is just moving like really strange and like that. But if we just see in the middle, if we see in the like just if we keep see this kind of electrons going, but it looks like the electron is going straight. It means like it's going like this, but in the other part is going like this, so it looks like going like this. So drift bells, but the current density we can divide into which is the hole part and the electron part. And they was like talking about the velocity, but if we are talking about that velocity can be slowed down by scattering, and we learned about the scattering. So and next we learned about the like the diff diffusion is like the how it's like the water. If we think about it, water, like there's a like just really clean water, but if we just drop any ink or any just paint, it just blew it away. It's like, so it's almost same meaning of the diffusion, but it was talking about diffusion current. So in diffusion current, we should focus on the part of the how fast and how far it goes. So we can divide into two parts. And so it can be like generation and combination. We talk about the in the part of by band and energy. And so when we talk about the continuity equation and just really minority of carrier and lifetime and diffusion length of the resistance. And yep, so it was about when we talk about the photoconductivity. So and most of the part it was about we wanted to talk about the velocity and diffusion part. And so yeah,